Hello, welcome to Equity, Diversity, and Inclusion in the Classroom for Teachers. I am Ilonka Sargent Capron. I am your instructor for this course. This course is going to guide you through contemporary issues on equity, diversity, and inclusion in the classroom. There are going to be a number of helpful exercises to help you to succeed. Those of you who are in an online learning environment for the first time, welcome. You are also going to have some helpful tutorials to help you on your journey. Now, to help you on your journey, now to start this course, click on the course outline to review the information to find out more about the course content. Good luck and enjoy.